Hey guys, it's Kristen. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a wreath in about 5 minutes, and it would cost no more than $10. So let me show you what I'm using and how I made it. For this project, you will need a wreath, and I got this at Walmart for only $3. You're gonna need some little acorns and some lights with a battery pack. I'm gonna use a bow, and then finally some berries. The first thing you wanna do is fluff up your wreath, because when you get it from the store, it's pretty flat. So now I'm gonna take my lights and wrap it around the wreath, but you wanna hide the pack wherever the top of your wreath is gonna be. So this is gonna be the top, and I'm gonna hide it at the back of here. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around this entire thing, going all the way around. Now I do recommend turning your lights on so you can see if some spots are bare. Like up here, there's a lot of lights, and then over in this spot, I don't have that many. So I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, but you want your lights to be even. Now we're gonna apply our mini acorns, and if you can find it as a mini ornament, it'll already have ties on the end, so it's a lot easier to apply. So you can see these little ones have little plastic ties, so you will actually be able to just wrap them around instead of having to glue it. So now I have a bunch of pine cones on here, and I left a little gap in the top because I'm gonna add my bow. So now I'm gonna attach this like that, and then we'll add in our little berries. So I just used the wire that came with the bow and wrapped it around the frame of the wreath. Now with the berries, you want the wire that's in the stem, so you're just gonna pull it straight down like that. And then that way you'll have a little bit of the stem left with a wire that you can wrap around your wreath. So I'm just tucking that in, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around one of the branches like that. And then you just kind of bend it and shape it to fit. Now with this light pack on the back, I usually just take a piece of wire and attach it to the frame, just like that. All right, so my wreath is done. Didn't take very long at all, about 5 minutes, and it only cost me between $5 to $7 for all the items. So this is something you can just do last minute, and that's really easy and quick to make. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you later.